The fan is part of your tool's armature assembly. The fan blows air through the motor to cool the armature and field. If debris happens to make its way into the tool's vent, the fan blades can be broken off. This can lead to the motor overheating. Replacing the fan is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the shoe from the saw. Now remove the motor brushes. Now remove the boot. To make it easier to remove the boot, I'll tighten up the screws that secure the shoe. Now I can pull the boot away from the tool. Now remove the screws that secure the gearbox to the tool. There's one more screw located inside the gearbox. And now I can remove the armature. Now I can remove the armature from the gearbox end. I'll use a pointed punch to remove it. The punch goes into the small hole on the end of the armature, and I'll tap the armature out of the bearing. Now I can remove the fan from the armature. I'll use a bearing separator to do that. The fan's large enough, I'll need to disassemble the bearing separator so I can install it around the fan. I'll place the separator over the vise's jaws. And again, I'll use a punch to remove the fan from the armature. Now I can install the new fan. You'll notice a lighter section on the armature. That's the point I want to stop the top of the fan as I install it. I don't want to bottom the fan out all the way against the base of the armature. I'll use a socket that has a diameter about the same size as the metal race in the center of the fan. I'll use the socket to tap the fan into place. I'll stop and check my progress periodically. Just about there. And that looks good. And now I can reinstall the armature. Now reinstall the armature back into the field. And secure it in place with the screw. And now I'll reinstall the gearbox. Now reinstall the boot. And I'll reinstall the brushes. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the shoe. I'll loosen the screws again. I'll slide the shoe back into the housing and tighten up the screws. And that's how you can replace the armature fan in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.